Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ActiveCampaign templates and email designs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your ActiveCampaign templates and email designs, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once logged in, navigate to the email templates section from the sidebar. In the email templates section, you'll see a list of all your created templates. Select the template you wish to back up. Click on the template name to open it. Inside the template editor, locate the Actions drop-down menu at the top right corner. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Export. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm the export. Click Export to download the template as an HTML file. Repeat these steps for each template you want to back up. Next, navigate to the Campaigns section to back up your email designs. In the Campaigns section, find the campaign that contains the design you want to save. Click on the campaign name to open it. Similar to templates, look for that Actions drop-down in the campaign editor. Click on Actions and select Export. Confirm the export when prompted. This will download the campaign content as an HTML file. Ensure you save these files in a dedicated backup folder on your computer or cloud storage. By following these steps, you'll have successfully backed up your ActiveCampaign templates and email designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.